What if I told you that the same architecture used by Netflix, Uber, and Fortune 500 companies to manage billions of rows of data is the exact same system I use to handle packages in my home office? Today, I'm going to teach you Medallion Architecture that will help Ben have to organize his chaotic desk with packages everywhere in proper way: bronze, silver, and gold layers, using something everyone understands: mail delivery. Let's build this together. Medallion Architecture is a data design pattern used in modern data lakehouses that organizes data into 3 progressive quality layers. Think of it like refining raw ore into pure gold. You start with raw, messy data and progressively clean, enrich, and transform it into business-ready insights. The 3 layers are bronze, raw ingestion; silver, cleaned and validated; gold, aggregated and ready for decisions. Now, let me show you this with packages. Here's my home office. Every day the Postal Service delivers packages to my door. Each package carries information like a sender, a tracking number, contents, weight, delivery status. In data engineering terms, each package is a raw data record. The Postal Service is my data source, and my home office? That's my data lakehouse. Let's walk through how I process every package through all 3 medallion layers, just like a real data pipeline. The bronze layer. This is your raw ingestion zone. In data engineering, bronze means ingest everything, exactly as it arrives. No filtering, no cleaning, no transformation. You preserve the original source data in its raw state. In my home office, the bronze layer is my drop zone, the bin by my front door. Every single package that arrives goes straight in. Damaged box? In it goes. Duplicate order? Both go in. Wrong address? Still in. I don't make decisions here. I just capture everything. Bronze rule: capture everything, change nothing. The silver layer is where the real engineering begins. In data engineering, silver means take the raw bronze data and apply cleaning, validation, deduplication, and standardization. You fix data types, you handle null values, you enforce a schema, you join related data sets. In my home office, the silver layer is my inspection station. I take every package from the bronze drop zone and I process it. First, I check for damage. In data terms, that's null checks and anomaly detection. Second, I remove duplicates. Ordered the same thing twice? One goes back. Third, I standardize the information. I relabel everything consistently: sender name, order date, category, condition. I also enrich the data here. I match the package against my order log. Now I know not just what arrived, but what it was for: work supply, personal item, or a subscription box. Silver rule: clean, validate, enrich. Make it trustworthy. The gold layer is where data becomes decisions. In data engineering, gold means take your clean silver data and aggregate it into business-ready models. These are your dimensional tables, your KPI dashboards, your executive reports. This data is optimized for consumption by analysts, by BI tools, by machine learning models. In my home office, the gold layer is my weekly package dashboard. Every Sunday, I look at my gold layer report, and it tells me how many packages arrived this week, what was the total spend, what percentage were work-related versus personal, which vendor had the most returns, what's my average delivery time by carrier. These aren't raw facts. These are insights derived from clean, trusted data. This is what drives my decisions. Do I cancel a vendor? Do I switch carriers? Do I adjust my office supply budget? Gold rule: serve insights, enable decisions. Let's zoom out and see the full medallion pipeline from start to finish. Step 1. Package arrives at door to data lands in bronze storage. Raw, unprocessed, time-stamped. Step 2. I process it at inspection station. ETL job runs on bronze. Output is silver, clean, validated, enriched records. Step 3. I review my weekly dashboard. Aggregation job runs on silver. Output is gold KPIs, summaries, trend reports. Each layer is a deliberate checkpoint. Each transformation adds quality and trust. And crucially, if something goes wrong at gold, I can always trace it back to silver and then back to bronze. That's the beauty of Medallion. full lineage, full traceability. Let me leave you with the core principles of Medallion architecture. Bronze, immutability, raw fidelity, source of truth, never overwrite. Silver, consistency, validation, enrichment, schema enforcement. Gold, aggregation, business logic, performance optimized, consumption ready. Whether you're handling terabytes of clickstream data at a tech company or 12 packages a week in your home office, the principle is the same. Ingest raw, clean progressively, serve trusted insights. And that's Medallion architecture, explained through packages, made practical for real data engineering. If this clicked for you, smash that like button. It helps this channel reach more data engineers like you.